Mastering Practical English. Understanding, test your gear. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Test your gear. This simple yet important expression can be a game changer in many situations. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a technology buff, or just curious about English idioms and phrases, understanding this expression can add a new layer to your English proficiency. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Test your gear is a phrase that, at its core, advises on the importance of checking your equipment before you start an activity or project. Gear refers to any type of equipment or tools you might be using. This could be anything from camping equipment, sports accessories, to electronic devices. The word test in this context means to try out or check the functionality and reliability of your gear. It's all about ensuring everything works as it should, to avoid any surprises or failures when you least expect them. Testing your gear is critical for several reasons. Firstly, it's about safety. Ensuring your equipment is in good working order can prevent accidents and injuries. Secondly, it's about efficiency. When your gear works as expected, you can accomplish your tasks more smoothly and effectively. Lastly, testing your gear can also save you time and money in the long run by avoiding damage or the need for replacements. Whether you're preparing for a hiking trip, setting up a new gadget, or just using everyday items, taking the time to test your gear is always a wise decision. Let's look at some practical examples to illustrate how test your gear can be applied in real-life scenarios. Before a camping trip, checking your tent for any tears, making sure your flashlight works, and testing the stove. In technology, updating software on your devices, checking battery life, and ensuring all peripherals are connected and functional. In daily life, making sure your car's brakes are responsive before a long drive, or testing the safety features on your home security system. These examples show that testing your gear is not just about large-scale adventures or technical setups. It's a valuable habit for anyone looking to ensure their activities go smoothly. I hope this video has shed some light on the importance and meaning of the phrase, test your gear. It's a simple concept that carries a lot of weight in ensuring safety, efficiency, and peace of mind in various aspects of life. Whether you're an adventurer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves learning practical English phrases, remembering to test your gear can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Stay curious, and keep exploring the depths of the English language with us. See you in the next video.